Hello everyone, welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert your Pinterest account into a business account step by step. Let's jump right into the process. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. Type pinterest.com in the search bar and press enter. Step 3. Click on Settings and Support at the top. Step 4. Tap on Settings. Step 5. Click on Account Management. Step 6. Press Convert Account. Step 7. Tap on Convert to switch to a business account. Step 8. Describe your business type. Select an option and press Next. Step 9. Enter your business name and website address, then press Next. Step 10. Select your business goals and choose if you want to run ads. Press Done. And that's it. Your Pinterest business account is now ready. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Preyo Promo. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and professional tech guides. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.